Hello, good morning, and welcome back to another episode. Today is Saturday, November 26th. It is the first day of rifle season in Pennsylvania. We hope you had a great Thanksgiving. This is going to be kind of tradition for me. This is like the third or fourth year in a row. I'll be going to my grandma's. I'll be soon leaving here today to pick up my good buddy Cody, who's going to have a buck tag, and I'm going to have a doe and a bear tag. So we're going to sit in the shed like we have been the last few years and hope things get exciting this morning. It's cold this morning. It's in the upper 30s. It's supposed to warm up later today, but at least no rain, low winds, and should be an exciting first morning. But you know, we had a good archery season, now ready to turn the page and put the orange on and join the Orange Army. So again, thank you guys for all your support. So for all the rifle hunters out there, good luck, be safe, shoot straight, and as always, see you guys in there. Just give me the green light, so I'm ready to go. Southbound and down, boys, let's roll.
Day 2, round 2. It sucks.
There ain't nothing but a porcupine.
I was gonna say, we have seen nothing. We've heard maybe 3 shots. It's Sunday. And we did see a porcupine, which was the highlight of our morning, and the egg sandwich that Cody made me. And now this coffee. But today's the last day Cody can get out for a couple days, and then I'll be out tomorrow doing something. Maybe here, maybe at my farm. But we'll chill out here for a little bit and see how the evening looks, if it's gonna be a wash or if we'll be back out. Keep you posted. Yep, is it a doe?
Yeah.
Here, kitty. Alright guys, we got a doe coming out here. Let's see if can't get her in close here. Oh, she's walking down.
Okay, Dad, there you go.
There she's moving.
Is she coming down?
She's facing down now.
She's coming down across the hill.
There you got her.
Down. She's back down there probably at 390-yard area.
Yeah. Guys, so Lee just dropped this doe up here. We're gonna sit till dark and then go get the gator.
Well, finally, the end of the day here, close to the end of the day, finally managed to down one by herself. I thought maybe there'd be a second one coming on behind, possibly a buck, but it wasn't, just this one single doe. So we'll take it. As we could tell there, according to the rangefinder, she's about 390 yards.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Lee made an incredible, we're gonna say 395, 400 yard shot, but 345, or what was it, 445 and 448 doe down, and hope you guys are having a good season. We're gonna keep filming and try to get some more videos to you. See you guys on the next one.
Thanks for watching today's episode, everyone. Tonight we were out with 3 friends of ours, Bud, Ryan, and Ryan's dad, Lee. And around 4:48, a doe came out and she wasn't getting any closer, but she gave Lee about a 400-yard shot, 390, 400-yard shot, and he took the 6.5, and the gun did its job, Lee did his job, and we put a good conclusion to tonight's hunt. We're hoping you guys are all having a safe and successful rifle season here in 22, and we're gonna keep filming, we're gonna keep hunting, keep grinding it out, and you know, all the way until the end of the season. We won't stop, the grind never stops. But we hope you guys did enjoy, and please like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for a new merch, check us out on centralpaoutdoorsman.com and all our other social media platforms. See you guys on the next one.